Ariel Goobar, you're also dabbling in the dark arts. You were part of the research team that discovered the force now we referred to as dark energy, which is believed to be driving the expansion of the universe. And this work actually led to your team leader sharing the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2011. So even a layperson understands this is a big deal. Could you explain what dark energy is and how it was discovered?
Right. So let me start going back to the 1930s, where astronomers discovered that the universe expands. That means that galaxies are receding from each other. In fact, every distant point is receding from another one. So space is growing. And much later, in the 1990s, we decided to figure out how much that expansion is slowing down due to the effect of gravity. Just as Katie mentioned, there's a lot of dark matter out there, and we decided to measure how much there is. And the experiment essentially was pretty similar to if I were to throw up my keys in the air, they would sort of slow down to the effect of gravity and eventually will come to a stop and fall down again. We thought pretty much the same would happen with the velocities of galaxies, that because of the mutual attraction from gravity, that it would actually be slowing down. So we expected the expansion of the universe to slow down due to the effect of gravity. Now, of course, we didn't find that. We found the opposite. It didn't slow down at all. But to our huge surprise, we found that for the last 7 billion years or so, the expansion has been speeding up. And, that was very unexpected. So, the universe, or a large fraction of the universe, large fraction of this cocktail that Kate is talking about, like 70% of the universe is made up of something that does not at all behave as what we expected. And, this is, some witty scientists at Chicago call that dark energy, I guess maybe to mock us, I don't know. But that name did catch on. So this dark energy is what the 70% of the universe, which I should emphasize, understand very, very poorly, which is actually doing the opposite. It's like my keys, instead of falling down, they will just continue and fly faster and faster. So that's, in short, how we discovered it. We discovered that the universe expansion is speeding up. And what it is more unclear.
But just to be entirely clear, dark energy and dark matter are not related, and they are not sort of the reverse of matter and energy, as we know them.
It sounds like a joke, but it's true. Dark matter is attractive. Dark energy is repulsive.
Don't look at me.
That wasn't meant that way. No, but it's true. And so they're wait, what?
Some other men and some other women.
Yeah, there you go.
So no, it's actually a misnomer in terms. They are very different things. At least at this moment, we do not know if there's any relation between dark matter and dark energy. That's one of the frontiers in the field to understand if there might be.
So we have to keep in mind that these are metaphoric labels, yes, at this point.